Welcome to Beautyistic, everyone. If you're looking for a fresh take on deep wave wigs, today we're diving into the Lemoda 30-inch 13x6 full lace frontal wig. This wig promises natural curls, a breathable fit, and an overall luxurious look. Is it worth the hype? Let's see if this human hair wig stands out in terms of comfort, style, and wearability. The Lemoda 30-inch 13x6 full lace frontal wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed 12A grade Brazilian virgin human hair. If you're unfamiliar, that means it's cut directly from healthy young donors and hasn't undergone any chemical treatments, just pure, natural hair. It's got a deep wave texture, which is a popular choice for those looking for voluminous, curly styles that hold their shape. The hair is described as having undamaged cuticles, and it's designed to last anywhere from 1 to 2 years, given proper care. As for the wig's construction, it features a 13x6 lace frontal, providing you with plenty of lace space for versatile styling. This is a true 13x6, so the lace area on the sides is wider than standard versions, which gives you more flexibility in terms of parting and styling. The lace is made from high-definition transparent material, which is great because it blends well with most skin tones and offers a comfortable, breathable feel. Now let's talk about how this wig performed when it came time to wear it. Right out of the box, the texture feels really soft and silky, and the deep wave pattern has a natural bounce. I tested it by wearing it for an entire day, and I have to say it's surprisingly comfortable. The lace, being handmade, has a nice feel against the scalp, and the density, 200%, gives it enough volume without feeling too heavy. The wig cap fits well for most people, around a 22 to 22.5 inch head size, and the adjustable straps and combs made it easy to secure in place. What impressed me was how the curls stayed intact all day. Even after a bit of humidity and light movement, the curls didn't lose their shape, which is often an issue with wigs that have curl patterns. It was a hassle-free experience in terms of maintenance too, as the curls held their definition even without constant touch-ups. There are, of course, a few things to note. The lace is definitely a bit delicate, so I'd recommend handling it with care during installation to avoid tearing. Also, the wig cap size might be a bit snug for those with larger heads, so if you're on the larger side, just make sure to check the fit before committing. Pros? The 13x6 lace frontal gives excellent styling versatility. 200% density offers a natural, voluminous look without being too heavy. Made from high-quality, unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair for a soft, long-lasting finish. The deep wave texture is beautiful and holds up well throughout the day. HD transparent lace that blends well with different skin tones. Cons? Lace can be a bit delicate. Handle with care to avoid damage. May not be the best fit for larger head sizes. Make sure to check measurements before buying. In terms of value, considering the quality of the hair and the fact that it's made from 12A Brazilian virgin hair, the price is definitely in line with what you'd expect for a premium product. For those looking for long-lasting, natural-looking deep wave curls, it could be a worthwhile investment. But if you're on a tighter budget, there are other good options that may not have all the same features, but still offer a great look and wearability. If you're in the market for something comparable, but a bit more affordable, there are several other brands offering similar deep wave wigs, but they might not have the same lace construction or 12A hair quality. It's important to know what's worth the extra cost, and in this case, the build quality and hair material make this product stand out. On the customer service side, I've seen a lot of positive reviews about Lemoda's responsiveness. They offer quick delivery from nearby warehouses, which is great if you're in a hurry, and their after-sales team seems really dedicated to resolving any issues. Wrapping up, the Lemoda 30-inch 13x6 full lace frontal wig definitely delivers on its promises of a luxurious, voluminous look and natural feel. If you're into deep wave wigs and are willing to invest in quality hair, this could be a great choice for you. It's especially suited for those who want versatility in styling and are looking for a wig that will last. If this review was helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so you never miss a review like this one. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching. And if you've tried this wig, Drop a comment below and let us know how it worked for you. We'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.